Hi student, today discuss topic is first chapter 6 marks is must and should. Okay, next if log x plus y by 3 equals to 1 by 2 log x plus log y, then find the value of x by y plus y by x equals to 7. Okay, next but given here log x plus y by 3 equals to 1 by 2 log x plus log y. Okay, so then 1 by 2. Okay, 1 by 2 is power. Go to power. What happened? Log x plus y 1 by 2. Okay, so then both side I can log cancel. So what happened? X plus y by 3 equals to x plus y of 1 by 2. So 1 by 2. 1 by 2 means is root. Okay, root. So root is cancel is what? Square. Square root is cancel. So then I can take in square. Both sides square. So what happened? X plus y plus 3 of whole square 1 by 2 root cancel. So what happened? X plus y by 3 of whole square equals to xy. Okay. So a plus b of whole square, you know that. So x square plus y square plus 2xy. 3 square equals to what? 9. So then xy. So equals to x plus y square 2xy equals to 9 is divided. Go to outside is what happened? Multiple. So then 9xy. So x square plus y square equals to 9xy minus 2xy. What happened? 7xy. So both side I take in here. xy is go to outside. So x square by xy plus y square by xy equals to 7. So x is cancel. Here y is cancel. So x by y plus y by x equals to 7. Understand all of you? This question must and should 6 marks question. Please watch this video.